So today I'm going to show you how you can find subdomains. So, but before that, I want to show you what is this subdomain is. We all know domains, right? Like google.com, facebook.com. These are the domains where our DNS system find IP, match the IP address of the domain so we can visit the site. Like if I write google.com and here I go. This is the domain of google.com. Okay, there. But if I write google.com, but before google.com, if I say Germany, you can see we get like germany.google.com. So it's a subdomain of the main domain, which is google.com. And when we are looking on a target, we the more area, the more scope we have, the more it's likely that we are going to find a bug or a vulnerability in that website or software. So for that, we don't actually just brute force by hand writing Gemini, uh, admin, etc., etc. Like if I try, I can just okay, try right. What we have tried dot com maybe not like that. Yeah, we have drive.google.com. So this is also a subdomain of google.com. But if I'm just looking in google.com, I would never have find that Google has a product called Gemini Live, Gmail. So subdomain shows us more thing about our target and our victim. So it's a it's the essential part of our enumeration. So we must have a tool to automate our process. We can go by hand, but it's not efficient or good way. So for that, I'll first go to word.com. Okay, in here, search. Okay, not this. This is the full name. Yeah, this is the full name. So click on it and make sure first give a star because it's a great tool, but not much support on it. So what tool is gonna do? What this tool is gonna do? Okay, this tool is gonna we are gonna provide this tool a domain like example the google.com. Okay, so what this tool gonna do? It gonna add a variable in front of it and brute force from this text word list and check every one of them if it exists or not. These are the common subdomain word list that it's gonna find, and I already provide two of them. One is a smaller for test and was is for the actual application if you're pen testing. And this happens so fast, it's not slow at all. So it's gonna save you a lot of time and it's 1,000 times better than manually checking it by yourself. And yeah, so I'll show you how you can do it. Okay. To download this tool, I must say it works on both Windows and Linux. I haven't tried it on Mac, but it should work. Okay, so I can just download it from here on zip, or I can just copy the URL here and open my machine. I'm using Kali Linux, but you can use Windows as well. It's pretty much same. Okay, so I'm in my terminal. I'll first check if I have Git installed, and if not, you'll just type sudo apt install Git, and it will install on your machine. Sorry, yeah, but I have already installed, so I don't have to. Okay, so you have your Git installed. So what you'll do, you'll type Git clone. Okay, what this Git clone will do, the Git clone takes a URL from GitHub and download it into your local machine. And this is pretty much it. So I'll just say I'll paste the link that I have copied. Like should work, yeah. There you go. This is the link I have copied, and it should have a .git at the endpoint. So you'll know it's correct. So I'll just press enter. It will start cloning and downloading the file. All of the file there. Okay, it's done. Okay, fine. Here you go, our SMH Cocky Subdomain Finder. So I'll do cd. Sorry, and enter. So we are in in this directory. So first, let's check we have Python installed. Minus version. Yeah. Minus version. So it's my Python version. It works fine on this, and if yours is not working, just upgrade or degrade it to this version 3.13.v. You can create a custom environment, install that, but I don't need. So what I'll do, I will say pip install -r. Okay, so what you're gonna do, we are gonna install all the dependencies and requirement to run this file, to run this application from our requirements.txt file. This file contains all that we should have installed to run this application. So what we'll do, we'll type the file name and press enter. Okay, if this happens, it says you must use a virtual environment, but I don't want to use any virtual environment right now. So what I will do, break system packages. Okay, there we go. Now everything is installed and we should be good to go. Okay, finder.py. Now we'll specify a word list. So the word list. Okay, first let's see what options we have. We can define the base domain like the google.com that is gonna find that particular domain's subdomains, and we have to define a word list. If you don't define a word list, it will use the default where it go subdomain.txt, but it's always good to use another one because it's not the ideal one. So I'll use bigwordlist.txt. Okay, then we'll provide the output file where all the domains that it finds will save, and we can use the number of concurrents, how much concurrent connection we want. Like default is 100, and I'll prefer you don't mess with it. Same with batch size and times. So what we'll do, we'll first specify the word list. So for that, I'm gonna choose dot slash. Dot slash means in this current directory, as our file big word list is within this directory. So I'll say word, not word, big word list. I hope this is what it is. Yes, big word list. I hope this it is. Okay, to double check, I'm gonna paste it. Okay, it's the word list, and now I'll specify the domain, which will be the google.com or any domain. Sorry, any .com you want, any domain you want. So okay, I specified the word list, and now I think we're good to go. But I wanna specify the output file to Google subdomain.txt. Done. Now finding. Let's wait and let's see how much it finds. It already got lots of it, and it's still going. I don't know if yeah, still going. And yeah, it will find more, but I'll stop the application here. Okay, when I stop the application with Control plus C, you can see it saved the subdomains in the Google subdomains.txt. So let it save correctly. If I cannot cat. If I open with like nano, subdomain.txt. Okay, look at this. And probably each one of them is working, because yeah. Okay, let's check. Let's first go to tl.google. It looks weird for me. And look at this, it's actually a subdomain to go to the Google Chrome download page. And if I write discover, it's service of Google, I guess, that I don't know actually. Yeah, app.google.com. Okay, this is the Google workspace, and there's a lot of them. Like, I can't say. And if you give enough time, it will have more. And if you find a better word list that contains more relevant, it can even go further. So it's always good to check with different word list. Okay, but the one I provided is already good enough. You used the big word list, but now you want to use another word list. So what you can do, you can always go to GitHub and search for like subdomain word list, and there's a lot of them. Like here we go. Yeah, there is it. There is the word list. I mean, there's a lot of them to choose one. And even the rocku.txt sometime works, like, rocku.txt. It's a password list, but sometimes it also works like a charm. So was when you download the text file, the word list file, uh, move or paste it here in this directory. So yeah, and also on Windows, it pretty much the same. You must have Python installed and then install the dependencies with the same command and run the application also with the same command. There's no difference. And I believe it also should work fine on the Mac. And yeah, so okay, let's try another site on another site. So this time we're gonna use what we can use like okay, let's see if Minecraft have any subdomains. So I'll go first check the Minecraft domain. So yeah, Minecraft.net. Minecraft.net. Craft.net. I hope this is what it is. Let's go. Oh, that is Minecraft shop. Which can be okay. And it's still going right. Yeah. Feedback classic plus Atlas. What's that? I don't know. Might be something. Pretty cool. Say Minecraft Plus download for desktop running browser. I don't know what this. Okay. Okay, we got the feedback section. Wait. I think I saw something I saw something interesting. Web prod means web production. This could be something. Okay. It checks for the authentication first, but it's something interesting. You can, you know, probably do something with this. It looks little interesting for me. And that's how you find subdomains of a domain. I hope I helped you out. Thanks for watching.